Imagine this, you just got off work, you're ready to game, and you launch your favorite title, and boom, hardware ban detected. This system is permanently restricted. No explanation, no warning, just the screen telling you that your PC is done. I've been through this on multiple games. Support always gave me the same copy-paste answer, we can't help you. After months of testing garbage solutions, I finally found the one thing that actually works, which is Divine. I went down the rabbit hole. Free spoofers from YouTube, malware. Cheap ones from Discord, got detected in a day. One even made me reinstall Windows, which is crazy. I was about to start shopping for new PC parts, but then a buddy told me about Divine, and I decided to give it one last shot. Here's what makes it different. It has a TPM bypass that slides right past Valorant's Vanguard. It also has a disabled Wi-Fi/Bluetooth switch that kills your wireless signals during the spoof so nothing messes up. And the biggest win, you don't wipe your computer. All of your files, your settings, your saved logins, everything stays. Open up the Divine loader, run as administrator, drop in your license key. The menu is going to pop up real fast, and then you're going to see the permanent spoof front and center. That's your button, boys. Don't know what motherboard model you have? No problem. Just pick other and click it. In about 10 seconds, every ban identifier, motherboard, drives, network cards gets swapped out for clean, fresh ones. Once it finishes, Divine automatically restarts your PC. You don't have to do a thing. And here's the part that surprised me. You never have to run it again. One time and you're done. When your system comes back up, load up any game that had you banned. There's no messages, no errors, just the lobby. If you guys are tired of being locked out, the link to Divine is in the description below. Grab it, get back in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.